Welcome back. In this video, we are going to design a login screen user interface of mobile app. I hope you will enjoy this video. Create a new file. Make sure to keep 1125 height and 2436 width. Okay, now I am bringing the logo of the app. It's too small, so I am making it larger. Okay, now press Command-Control+J to create a copy of the logo. Right-click on the new layer and click on Rasterize Layer. Now select Rectangular Marquee tool and drag to select the text. Press Delete. Now press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now press Ctrl+T and make it larger. Now right-click on the layer. Click on Blending Options, the Click Color overlay and select a light gray color. Now select Text tool or press T, then write Create Account. Now move it to the top right corner. Select the Shape tool and click on Shapes and select the right arrow. Then hold Shift and draw a small arrow. Select both of the text layer and arrow layer and align them. Okay. Now create a group of these layers. Now I am selecting the text tool and writing email address. Now write password. Select both of the text layers and align them rightly. Alright, now select Line tool, hold Shift and draw a horizontal line. Select a light gray color as in the text. Press Ctrl+J to create a copy. Move it downwards. Okay, now I am bringing this icon to Photoshop. I have attached these icons in the description of this video. You can download these from there. Now dragging the rulers. If rulers are not showing in your Photoshop, then press Ctrl+R. It is a bit small. Press Ctrl+D and make it a bit larger. Okay. Now right-click on the layer and click Blending Options, click on Color Overlay and select light gray color. Now I am putting this icon to Photoshop, making it smaller. Now click on the layer and click on blending options. Now click color overlay and select light gray color. OK. I think the text color is a bit dark. Select the text and click on color menu and select a light color. Now write forgot password with text tool. I am making the text a bit smaller. Go to the character menu and make it italic. Alright. Now select rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Go to the properties and make it rounded. Select blue color. OK, now write login with type tool. Select both of the layers and align them and make a group. Name it as login button. Right-click on the rectangle layer and click on blending options, then click on drop shadow and select blue color. Now I am gonna write sign in with the type tool. Align it in the center. Now I am going to make a copy of the login button. Pressing Ctrl plus J to make a copy. Move it downwards. Click on rectangle layer. Select the rectangle tool. I'm choosing white color. Double-click on the drop shadow. Choose black as the shadow color. Keep the size 43% and distance 2%. OK. Now press Ctrl plus T and increase the width. Now press T to select the type tool and select and delete the text. I'm writing Facebook here. Now I'm dragging this icon to Photoshop. Right-click on the layer, click on Blending Options, then click on Color Overlay and select White Color. Select Circle tool and draw circle. Choose blue color. Bringing the icon layer above the circle. Select both of these layers, then press Ctrl+T and make smaller. Now move it downwards. Creating a group of both the layers. Select all the objects and align them in center. Now press Ctrl+J to create a copy of the Facebook button group. Move the copy to the right side. Select Type tool and select the text and delete it. Then I'm writing Google. Now bringing this Google icon to Photoshop, make it smaller. Now delete the Facebook icon group. Now select all these elements and move downwards. Now, I'm going to write sign in with the Type tool. Press Ctrl+semicolon to show rulers and align the text. Alright, now again press Ctrl+semicolon to hide the rulers. OK. I think the shadow of the buttons is very dark. Double-click on the drop shadow, then go to drop shadow and decrease the size to 33%. And then do the same thing for the Facebook button. Click on the login button's rectangle and press Ctrl+T and increase the width. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.